our channel. I'm Cynthia.
And I'm Elizabeth. Today we're going to be talking about upgrading you and upgrading the Perle Beaute. We're going to be going from a here to a here. Okay? So we're going to be doing that in many different ways, and one of the main ways that we're going to be doing it is updating our website.
So we will be doing a complete revamp of the website. We will be adding more things to our shop. We also will be blogging, and we're also going to be updating the pictures on our website as well. One thing you guys should do is when you guys head to our website, you guys want to go ahead and sign up for our newsletter. Our newsletters keep you up to date with basically everything that's going on with the business, as far as restocks on any of our hair, restocks on any makeup products as well on our site. And basically it just keeps you updated about everything that's going on in our lives as well, and also about the YouTube channel as well. So make sure that you guys go ahead and click on our website, and as soon as you click on the website, there'll be a pop-up. Go ahead and incorporate your email address, and you guys will be signed up for our newsletter.
That's right, and you definitely want those newsletters because sometimes we'll be sending a little bit of coupon codes.
Yes.
Just stuff that normally if you're not subscribed you won't know, you won't be in on the secret. So make sure you definitely take Cynthia up on that offer and subscribe.
You know.
That's right. And so the next part of our upgrade is, of course, updating our YouTube channel. So that's right. So one of the upgrades that we're doing is updating our meal preps.
Yes.
I know y'all have been harassed.
You guys have been emailing us personally for this chicken teriyaki sauce. It's coming. I promise. It's already been filmed. It just has to be edited and uploaded. It's coming. You guys, we have been seriously so busy with the website and revamping it that we haven't had any time to dedicate to the YouTube channel. So this life update and business update is our promise to you guys that we're going to do better, and those videos will be coming soon.
That is right, and we're so excited to be bringing you different kind of videos. Another one is going to be more workout videos, and so you'll get to see the different type of workouts that Cynthia and I love, and she's going to be talking more about her intermittent fasting, which I've kind of hopped on that. She put me onto that, so I'm doing it now too. And another part that we're going to be upgrading to our YouTube channel is Girl Talk.
Yes.
So our last YouTube collaboration was with the
Guy Santana,
and we did a great video about basically what our most embarrassing moment was, and y'all loved it.
Laughing at our pain. Laughing at our pain.
Yes, they were. So now you get to do that on the regular, because we're definitely going to be doing more Girl Talks and more collaborations on basically what's going on in our lives, what is of interest to both of us, and of course, you know, embarrassing moments, regrettable moments. Yeah, a bunch of great conversations. So stay tuned for that. Yeah. So another one of the great videos that we can't wait to incorporate is about natural hair. Yes. So of course under this weave is our actual scalp girl.
Yes, we are both natural, you guys. So we're gonna be incorporating natural hair care products and also natural hairstyles onto this channel. You guys have to take care of your natural hair underneath your extensions. Like,
exactly. You'd be surprised how many people really don't know how to take care of the natural hair. They'll just put on the weave and completely forget about it.
We don't want no ball.
Exactly. We still love our edges. Yeah. So we'll definitely get into a lot of the products that we use to protect our hair, make sure our edges are intact, and different routines that we do with our natural hair. So definitely stay tuned for that.
Yes.
So we can't just give this all away. Y'all gotta meet us halfway. You know
exactly.
What I mean? So with that being said, we're also going to be doing a huge giveaway. You get a giveaway. You get a giveaway. You get a giveaway. Everybody get a giveaway. So no, really, we're just giving one giveaway.
So of course you guys want to know what this giveaway is. If you haven't been on our website, you have to check out our website, but we will be giving away a Perle Glam Kit. Ooh. Now, what comes with the Perle Glam Kit, child? Yes. 3 bundles of hair, 3, a makeup eraser, a weft sealant for your extensions, and you also will be getting a pair of mink lashes. We will be adding mink lashes on the website. So you guys, if you want a glam kit, this is all you have to do. You have to 1, follow us on Instagram, 2, follow us on Snapchat, and 3, subscribe to the channel. But also, you guys also have to tell us down below why you want this glam kit, and we will be picking a winner randomly. So you have to make sure you comment below why you think you should want, should get this glam kit.
Yes. And I cannot apply, so I would definitely be taking a look at what the different comments are.
We will be looking at the comments. We want to know why you guys think you should deserve this glam kit, because the glam kit is popping.
Yes, the glam kit is definitely popping, and we cannot wait to give our first ever glam kit away.
It is our first time giving a glam kit.
I know, it's so exciting to see new beginnings already. So we're so excited about the change coming up. Definitely bear with us as we're putting together new content. You're going to be seeing some changes on the website. Of course, it's going to still be a smooth checkout experience, and it's still open for shopping. So definitely continue to check out leperlebeaute.com. But you're going to be pleasantly surprised with some of the updates that are coming, including the lash line that we're offering, and other extensions to the product line.
Exactly. So make sure to like, comment, and subscribe to this channel. And you guys, we'll see you guys in our next video. Bye, Perle.
Bye.
I could rock designer, but this Fashion Nova fit. Gucci bag, Prada bag, Louis bag.
That's my favorite. No, you have to build it.
Hi Pearls, welcome back to our channel. I'm Elizabeth. How the hell?
How are you, Elizabeth? I'm Elizabeth. What you mean?